Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first, just reach the settings, then find and select biometrics and security, go a bit lower, and here you will notice other security settings. And then under credential storage, you've got clear credentials, smoothly marked, and then confirm that you want to remove all the content, all certificates by tapping on OK. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.